About a month ago, I was walking out to my car and I saw it. A sparrow right by the driver's side door, lying there like it was trying to get me to help it. It was dehydrated, almost dead. You think I nursed it back to health, Nora? Depending on the size of the box, a bird can survive 20 hours. Anything over 30 hours is medically impossible. And like I said, this bird, they didn't have anything left. So I waited the 3 days. I jogged out to the woods. I dug up the box, and I made my wish before I opened it. I wish that my kids would be okay if I left, because they had no idea I needed to go. No idea what it's like to pretend. Michael, he has his faith. He'd be fine. But Evie, she wouldn't understand. It would break her heart. So I wish that she'd be okay without me. I opened up the box. The bird flew out. And the next night, my daughter was gone.